What is up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a signature trouble in Word. So let's start. First, you have to add your signature by going to the top of Word, click on Insert, and select Pictures. Choose Insert Picture from this device, and find your signature file. Ideally, your signature should be in black pen on a white background. Once inserted, select the image and click on Corrections under Picture Format. Then choose Picture Correction options. Increase sharpness to 100% and adjust brightness and contrast as needed. For pencil signatures, decreasing contrast to around 50 works best. Right-click on the image, select Crop, and remove unnecessary background to make it smaller. Then right-click again, choose Wrap Text, and select an option to freely move the signature. Finally, right-click and Save as Picture to save your signature for future use in other documents. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.